Welcome back to the Spark Path Microlesson Library. In this video, we're going to focus on one of the 5 core utility tools located right here at the top of your dashboard. Today, we are looking at Table Talk, a fantastic tool designed to get your students thinking and speaking. Let's click into Table Talk. Now, you'll see the standard navigation elements at the top of the screen. But when you are using this in a classroom or live session, you want to minimize distractions. So I'm going to come up here and toggle this to full screen. This gives us a clean, focused interface. The goal of this tool is to spark meaningful conversation. To start, simply choose a specific category from the menu down here. Once you've made your choice, just hit Draw New Card. The tool instantly generates a prompt. You can keep clicking to generate as many conversation starters as you need, giving you endless opportunities for class debates or group discussions. If you prefer to take this activity offline, you have 2 great options. First, you can click Download Selected Category. This will generate a printable document of all the prompts within the specific topic you are currently viewing. Alternatively, if you want everything, you can choose All Categories. This gives you the entire database of prompts. You can print these out, chop them up, and create physical card decks for your students to use at their tables. To finish up, let's toggle out of full screen and head back to the main library. And that is the Table Talk tool. Simple, effective, and ready to use. In the next video, we're going to look at the Writing Assessment tool, so make sure to click the link on the screen to watch that next.